my name is Brittany and I'm the lead esthetician over here at New Image Aesthetics and Wellness. I'm also the body contouring specialist. Today we have our beautiful model, Clarissa. She won the contest for CoolSculpting 2 free cycles. So we're gonna get her hooked up and kind of show you guys how the treatment kind of looks. Okay, so I have already pre-marked her out because she came in for a consult prior to appointment. So you can see it's kind of scribbly, but it's for me to know basically where I'm going to put the applicators. So the X always marks where our main concern is, and we kind of want to make sure that that's the biggest point of correction. So the first step here is to take the pre-treatment skin wipe. Basically we go in here, and it does take off some of the marker too, and we just kind of want to make sure that we get the skin all nice and wet because this is basically like antifreeze for the device. So the second part that we do here, this is basically the little gel pad. And what this does is protects the skin from getting too cold, and so does that first step. So it kind of just goes in, we kind of make sure there's no bubbles, lay it nice and flat for the applicator to go directly over this. It is water soluble, so as soon as water gets on it, it does, because it's very sticky, but it makes it so it doesn't ruin your clothes or anything like that. Just make sure the whole area is covered. Okay. Okay, so I take my gloves off just because it is super sticky, so I can put this on. So I start the vacuum. Basically all she's going to feel right now is suction. So we just kind of go in and line it up, and that's why I had those markings there. So it kind of goes in and makes sure that I get exactly where I want to treat. It starts sucking like that. So there's a nice suction on there. And then strap her in so she doesn't have to worry about this thing moving around at all. So it kind of just does like that. And she's all set. Okay, so I just kind of go in here. If you don't mind just holding the top of this. So I kind of get the boppy under here so she's all comfortable and she doesn't have to worry about anything at all. How does that feel?
Awesome.
Feels good? Mm-hmm. Okay, so go ahead and then move your hand so we make sure it's in a good position. And make sure. All right, and we're ready to start treatment. So we go ahead and we start, and basically this is where she's gonna start feeling it. Makes that little noise, basically allowing her to know the treatment is started, and she's gonna start feeling a little bit different sensations and now. Then I'm gonna give her the Netflix remotes, and she can just hang out while she gets her treatment done. Some people like to bring their work from home. It's a great way to utilize your time. So that's it. So now that she's all comfortable, she's already almost 5 minutes into her treatment. Tell us what you're feeling right now.
I feel good. It's just like a cold sensation, like kind of like an ice pack. So doing good.
But no pain, anything like that?
Not at all.
All right, perfect. So for about 5 to 10 minutes, she'll feel that, and then she won't feel anything at all. So basically, she's all secure. This is her distress button. If anything were to happen, it also lets me know from the device. If it's getting too cold, I have this little pager right here. So I'm just going to set her up with the remote, and she can watch Netflix. Okay, so her 35 minutes just completed. We're going to go ahead and take the applicator off, and we're going to take the gel pad off. How was everything? How did it feel for you?
It was great.
Good, good, good. So basically I just use some kind of like an ultrasound gel or something like that so I can really get in there and massage the area. The massage is the most important part, and it's going to be kind of firm massage, because when the fat crystallizes, you have to make sure that they get pushed out so they start releasing through the lymphatic system. This is probably one of the most important parts of the treatment, so I'm just going to go in here and get this tissue nice and warm, and then we're all set. Then she's done, and we're going to hook her up to a different area. Okay, you guys, so I'm going to just finish this up. You could always give us a call so we can get your consultation in, make sure you're a good candidate. You call us or visit us on social media, Instagram, Facebook. We're on all those. We even have a YouTube channel. So thank you so much for watching, and thank you to our beautiful model, and we'll see you next time.